the averagism of the poor, sheltering laziness. The concept of averagism runs deep among the poor, becoming a belief system embedded in their hearts, in their minds. Societal resources and materials should be evenly distributed. Hence, asking for money or begging is not seen as shameful, for in their hearts, everything should be equally shared. Despite potential laziness and a lack of dedication, it doesn't hinder their pursuit of egalitarianism. It's a frightening mindset, a heritage spanning thousands of years, allowing them to demand without contributing, all under the shelter of equality. The inheritance of this averagism prompts profound reflection. While the idea of equal distribution of societal resources and materials may seem noble in theory, when it transforms into a shelter for dependency, the issues become hard to ignore. It's not a respectful acknowledgement of hard work and contribution, but rather an accommodation of idleness and entitlement. Perhaps, it's time to reconsider how we can pursue equality while maintaining respect for effort and dedication. Averagism should not serve as a cover for laziness, but should inspire everyone to contribute to society, creating a better community for all.